Welcome to Trade Pro. In this video, I'll be covering a technical analysis of Bitcoin, Euro against the US dollar, S&P 500, dollar currency index, and gold. So about 2 months ago, I made a similar video covering the same major market pairs and talking about where I believed they would be heading next. So in this video, I will update that analysis and see if I was right or wrong about my analysis 2 months ago, then talk about what I believe is likely going to be happening coming up next in the next couple months. So with Bitcoin on the daily time frame, in that last video, it was trading right around here. And essentially in that video, I said Bitcoin has now switched into long only mode, which means buying any discounted prices or pullbacks to get in at a discount and then look for follow through moves to the upside, expecting higher prices. And that has been the name of the game ever since that video. So initially we got this pullback and then a follow through to the upside, had this pullback, follow through to the upside, had a consolidation, follow through to the upside. And has anything changed since that last video? Well, no, we're still going to be looking for discounted entries, looking for higher prices, and will be doing so until further notice. So expecting prices to head up into the 40s, the 50s, and $60,000 range and beyond. So if this does give us a pullback, that's going to be a buying opportunity to look for follow through to the upside. So essentially looking for these resets on stochastic RSI is the name of the game here, looking for this come oversold and then trying to get in at a discount within the context of the overall uptrend. So any pullback still for buying. I think likely we're going to see this head up into the 32, 33 range and then head back down a bit before we can get another discounted entry. Not sure how far that goes, but we will see how it plays out and how that pullback forms before making any trading opportunity or trading decisions. So hopefully it does give that opportunity with discounted pullback, and then we can look for more follow through to the upside. So that's going to be the kind of expectation here on Bitcoin, is looking for a pullback soon. It may not happen until the 32, 33 range, but going to be anticipating a pullback and then follow through to the upside. Okay. And so let's move on to Euro. Euro against the US dollar. Price was trading right here in that last video, and the expectation was similar to Bitcoin, looking for this to pull back and again have sort of a long only mode mentality, looking for pullbacks to be buying opportunities which head to the upside. So we got this beautiful pullback which bounced off the 200 EMA 3 times, never closed below it, and then now we see price has followed through to the upside. So things really couldn't have gone any better. Nice discounted entry, beautiful follow through to the upside, just took out this high as of yesterday essentially. And now the outlook is going to be looking for continuation to the upside. So first looking at this high, so this area, before another pullback. So if we see price heading up and then we get a pullback, that's going to be the next buying opportunity to look for a follow through to the upside. All right. So that is the analysis for Euro against the US dollar. Still going to be looking for buying opportunities to eventually take out highs over here, so looking at a longer term uptrend up into much higher prices. Okay. So just again, long only mode, Euro USD until further notice. So we'll move on, S&P 500, where this one behaved a bit differently and did not follow my analysis. So this one in the last video was trading right here, and the expectation was a pullback, but then a follow through to the downside. So we got the pullback, got a small push down right here, but it never followed through to the downside. Essentially, we've gone into a range here, chopping up and down over the 200 EMA, and now things are going to be a bit more bullish. So the outlook has flipped to a more bullish outlook here, and essentially what I'll be looking for is pullbacks to buy. If we get a pullback into the rejection zone indicator cloud, 200 EMA area, that's going to be a buying opportunity, looking for this high to be taken out, looking for this high to be taken out. So resets on stochastic RSI are buying opportunities. Pullbacks into the rejection zone indicator cloud, buying opportunity. That's what I'll be expecting and looking for follow through to the upside. So I was wrong about the analysis here. I was expecting follow through to the downside to take out this low and eventually this low. Now looking for highs to be taken out. So long only mode on S&P 500. All right. Dollar currency index. Last video, price trading down here. Expectation was a bounce and then followed through to the downside. Looking to short any pullback. We got the pullback, could not break over the 200 EMA. Nice discounted shorting opportunity. And then the expectation, as per the last video, was any pullback to follow through to the downside and take out lows. That's what we just got as of today, essentially. Full follow through to the downside. And now the expectation is going to be more follow through to the downside. So looking for prices to come down here. Any pullbacks will be selling opportunities. So we get a pullback, that's an opportunity to get in and look for a follow through to the downside. All right. So we're going to be looking for a pullback, then follow through. Let's move on to gold. Gold behaved beautifully as per the last video's analysis as well. So the prices were extended all the way up here in the last video, and the expectation was to see a nice pullback and looking for a follow through to take out the highs all the way over here. So ever since down here, the analysis has been looking for prices to head all the way up here. And the path to do that, we didn't really know. So we're trying to get in at any discount and expect that prices will be heading up here. So in the last video, we talked about how it was extended right here and that we want to see a pullback to get in at a discount, which will fall through to the upside. We got that beautiful pullback and the full follow through to the upside, taking out the high here, and now heading very closely to our ultimate target up here. So not quite there yet, but right around here. If we see this taken out, I'd expect another consolidation or pullback before we get some follow through to the upside again. So still long only mode, looking to get in at discounts and buying pullbacks, looking for follow throughs to the upside. Okay. So still going to be expecting higher prices, then a pullback, which should follow through to the upside. One thing that I have noticed also is this. Kind of have a gap here, and often these will be filled up. So, maybe after we get this push for higher prices, we may go into a longer term downtrend, but, we'll have to see how things play out. Not quite ready for that yet. Okay, expecting higher prices and continuation to the upside. Still haven't hit our objective over here to take out this high. But that's been the analysis since way down here, targeting this high. And so we're almost there, almost completed with that analysis. So that's going to be it for this video. Make sure you guys like the video and comment down below for the YouTube algorithm. If you haven't already, subscribe and check out my affiliate link for Bybit. If you don't have a cryptocurrency exchange that you trust or enjoy using, also Patreon if you're interested in supporting and also getting access to my personal trading strategy as well as 20 trading strategy scripts and indicators. But if you're interested, check that out in my description. Thank you guys for watching and have a great day.